Hi, this is Heather from Freeport Community Library, and today we're going to show you how to make your very own campfire bracelet. For this craft, you will get 4 pieces of string, 2 shorter and 2 longer. The first thing you're going to do is pick all 4 pieces up and tie a knot at the top. So you should leave about 2 inches at the top of all the strings once you get them picked up and lined up, and that will give you room to knot them all together. Once you get your 4 pieces of string knotted, you're going to put them down on a table, and you're going to tape the string just above the knot to a table. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to find the 2 short strings, and you're going to tape them to the table at the bottom, making sure they're not twisted. Then you're going to put a long string on either side of the short strings. Next, you're going to pick a string and form it so it looks like the number 4. Take the other long string and have it come over the tail of the first string and then under the short strings and through the loop of the first string. We'll go through that again. Next, take the long string from the other side, make a number 4, take the other string and have it come over the tail of the first string and then under the short strings and through the loop of the first string. You will then continue to repeat this step until it is as long as you would like it to be, always using the same string to make the number 4. As you're pulling the strings and making your knot at the top of your bracelet, make sure you're making it nice and even and nice and tight. Now that you're done making your bracelet the length that you would like, you can go ahead and take the tape off the top of your bracelet. Next, you want to go ahead and take the loose ends of string and tie them in a knot so they don't get unraveled. Then you are all set to wear your bracelet. Wrap it and just tie it in a knot. If you would like, you don't have to wear it as a bracelet. You could just tie the knot at the end and hang it from a backpack or anything else that you would like. In addition to making the traditional campfire bracelet that we just showed you how to do, you can also take your strings or your thread and make a shorter, wider kind of keychain by folding everything in half and doubling up the long pieces before you start making your pattern. We're also going to show you just another way right here to secure your string.